Placeit t-shirt design. Yes, welcome. My name is David Osamoje. I use Placeit.com to create Placeit t-shirt design. Yes, they're super easy. You can use Placeit for a lot of things like t-shirt mock-up like the one you see here. Putting your designs on mock-ups like this. You can create a lot with Placeit. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it for t-shirt design because that's what most of my videos have been about on this channel. So if you want to watch more, I would advise you to watch after this video. But for today, let's just hit design and create some Placeit t-shirt design. So I'll go to design. On that design, I'll go to t-shirt design, click on that. It should not take me a lot of time. The only time I should be wasting here is the time to open it on new tab. So on the side panel, you can either click on mixed or go to bestseller or new, depending on what you want to do. So for this one, I can do newest, right? I can do newest, right? And just search for a cool design. As you can see, these are so many designs you can use. These are cool designs, alright? So I can just go over to where you see this tag and just scroll down. You can do abstract. Okay, you can do basketball, baseball, as you wish. So for this one, let's do basketball because most of my viewers from the United States. So let's click on basketball and see what we can get out of this one. You can see there are a lot of designs. Okay, a lot of designs you can choose from. You can pick one and design to edit. Like this one, I love this design, so I'm going to click on this one for this design. I'm going to open on where I can edit this whole design for myself. I'll be able to edit this design to suit my own taste, which is very easy, not complicated. I can change the wordings, I can change the colors, I can change anything really from this design. I can change anything I feel fit, anything I want to change, I can change that. And when I'm done changing, always remember to turn off the background. So I'll do that when this design is done. Okay, when this design is done, we're going to do that. So let's wait for the design to open up. It takes time sometimes, depending on your internet connection, but that does not mean anything because all you need is to create this design for yourself and sell these designs on Redbubble. Okay, this Redbubble is a print on demand site, so you can click on, can open Redbubble on a new tab and just check it out for yourself if you don't know about print on demand. Redbubble is not the only site. You can do TeePublic, Teespring for yourself, but that's not what this video is about. This video is just about creating this design, so I'm going to do that for you. Okay, so it says funny character, so you can just click and you see where it shows this abstract color. You can decide to change the ball from that color to a different color. You can do blue. Okay, and that will definitely change. You can do blue, you can do dark blue. Okay, you can see how easy it is. You can change that around. Okay, you can go over, change other colors. You can change this lighter blue to a different color. Okay, just changing them around to make them suit your designs. Okay, you can make this yellow depending on your choice and what you think will be attractive on a t-shirt. Remember, it's just creating these different designs. So for me, I'll just take on the yellow or orange and blue. As you can see, darker blue, I can use that. You can decide to change to whatever you want. You can choose from different elements. You can see there are different elements. You can just search funny boy, funny character. Let's do boy. Okay, if you don't just want the basketball, you can do funny boy. Alright, you can just pick different designs and just change them around, and then you go over to your characters. You can switch off this Chinese if you don't want it. Okay, you can switch that up and just use only this upper text. So you see it says on target, you can say lift up. Okay, you can do lift. Alright, you can do lift up. Okay, You can do lift up. If you go to your design, you can see it shows lift up, and now you can change it from black and make it match the design of the shirt itself. Okay, so you can just click from black to blue or to orange depending on what you want it to look like. And if you go, you can see it says lift up. You can increase this, moving your mouse cursor to this edge and dragging that outward. You can move this. Okay, so there's always a red line. You saw that red line. This red line, it shows it's placed well in the middle. Okay, so you can decide to just do whatever you want with your design. Get creative. That is the most important thing. Get creative. Okay, so when you're done with your design, these are other designs you can use. You can decide to use this. There are a lot of designs you can use for your design, a whole lot. So you can use different designs for your t-shirt design. It does not have to be one particular design. And once you're done, you just click on your download. You're going to download, and then you are free to go over to upload it on print on demand site like Redbubble. Upload as much designs as possible for yourself. As much design as possible for yourself. And in no time, you start making money from passive income. Trust me, it's that easy with Placeit. T-shirt design is super easy to create this design for yourself. To get 50% off on Placeit, just in case you are super interested in getting Placeit and using it for your design, there will be a link in the description, the first link in the description. Make sure you click on that link, and it's going to take you to Placeit. All you have to do is to sign up and get a plan, a subscription plan for yourself by just clicking on pricing and subscribe, and you're going to get 15% off from me. Yes, that's a gift from me to you, so make sure you check the first link in the description. With that said, this will be the end of the tutorial. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist, and David will see you on the next one.